For example, this one, change all the cutting lines to 0, SP0, and then only cut one. For example, I cut this one, and use SP4 to cut it. Send, mark 1. Okay, repeat. Okay, now we need to measure the gap distance. For example, this distance, the cutting line and the printed line. For example, it is 1 millimeter, and this one is 2 millimeters. And now we need to move the cutting lines to that direction. This direction, X positive, and here this direction. This is Y positive. For example, this one is 2 millimeters, and this one, for example, it is 1 millimeter. And in this software, here the step length, we can change it here, the edit step, or change it in the config dialog, move step. I change it here. And now 1 and 2. And in the software, if we move the cutting lines to the X positive direction, it means this direction, the right direction. Select them and then press it one time. Okay, and then we move them to the Y positive direction. Press this one. 2 millimeters. Okay, and now we change the first one to SP0 and change the second one to 4, SP4, and send, and then cut it. Okay, send and repeat. This is the first one. I haven't modified it. And this is the second one after I modified it. And we can see that the X direction is correct now, but the Y is not correct. I moved too much. This is about 1005, and then we can modify them again, and we need to move them to the Y negative direction. For example, 1 millimeter. Select them and then press it just one time. Okay, and then change the second one to SP0 and cut the third one. And now it seems better. It seems better.